Alright, here's our series on repair and replacement of cam seals on a Subaru. As you can see, that's your cam gear. And this is the 4-cam unit. These go on here, one each intake, each exhaust. So the way we do this is we're going to have this inside the car, and we're going to assemble this tool. This is a 2 3/8 4-wheel drive hub socket, and your standard 1/2-inch drive ratchet and wrench, and that's a 17mm socket, and that goes right on top of that. And then the socket will go on the bolt, which will be inside there, just like that. And then in lieu of destroying this socket, I'm going to use these large channel lock pliers to put on there to hold the whole thing into place.